What's going on? We are live. What's happening, everybody? October 17th. What's the day? Thursday. I'm Jeff, popping aboard. We're live on X and YouTube. We're going to dissect this market, see what's happening. Oh, shit. Or better yet, what's not happening. All right. Let's go to work, see what is moving today and what's not moving today. You know what? Let's just start off with Bitcoin. Why not, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. 66,885. Well, down 1%. Bitcoin's not doing much of anything. So you can see I do have a key level. We are in a squeeze, but not doing much of anything. Looking forward to reverse off of this bottom, 66,600. So you can already see we're dancing in between key levels. I'm looking for a couple things, right? But as a trader, there's only a couple setups that I'm looking at here in the crypto market. One of them is as we're coming into these key levels, what I do want to see is this moving average crossover, right? Moving average crossover at a key level. That's a great opportunity. Also, that squeeze that we're talking about. Either way, we got lots of stuff to look at. S&P 500 stock market closes at about 30 minutes. So let's go. I'm actually day traded this morning, the S&P. I don't know if a lot of y'all were there. What's up, John? What's up, Andy? What's happening? We're live all over the place. We did 37 points today in the ES. That's a big deal. $50 a point per contract. You figure that shit out, right? All right. Also, I'm looking at some option trading. So a little bit, I day trade S&P 500 every day. Been day trading the S&P 500 for over 5 years. S&P 500. Focus on that in the morning. 8:30 Central Standard Time up to about 9:45. We do it live for university students and channel members. Sometimes everybody. After that, I do swing trading options because there's a lot of people that want to learn how to trade options. It's very difficult. I've been doing that for 17 years. 17 years, right? So we do that at about 10 o'clock. And then I come on at the end of the day because one of the things about trading options is I love trading at the end of the day. I got my watch list over there. If I get an entry, I'm going to take it live. All right. I'm looking at a couple things. So I always want to do my routine. I figure I'll just come on board with you guys. But anyway, Bitcoin down. Ethereum's kind of no man's land, down 0.72%, 2,591. We did hit the other day, almost 2,700. But as you can see, this is going to be a common theme today. We have stacked moving averages to the downsides, right? So what we're expecting is Ethereum to drop some more. As long as these moving averages are stacked to the downside, a lot of selling pressure. Then I'm going to be watching as it comes back down into this 2,521 area. So we're in that no man's land. We're hooking up right now, but this is down, 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 right? And you can take a look on the bigger time frame on the daily. You can see here where it's bouncing around in between key levels. And this is the 30-minute. So I like to trade and look for opportunities. But we're moving down. All right, so Ethereum. What about XRP? XRP today, down 54 cents. So you can see here, XRP came up into this level, which is that key level. Couldn't break it. What I do not like is the moving averages cross right there. So that's kind of what I'm looking for, right? When it comes into these key levels, seeing how it reacts. So this bad boy momentum is down, down, down. Next key level, right? Shit. Way down here, 50 cents. So XRP could work its way down into that 50-cent area. But it hasn't been doing nothing. Right? It hasn't been doing that. And look, bad news. Bad news. Right there, that green dot. So we had that buildup of energy. The squeeze fired. So when that squeeze fired, we got a lot of downward momentum. So XRP just kind of dancing around. But with that squeeze firing, we could drop back down into that 50-cent range. So that sucks. Right? All right, so XRP down, Bitcoin down, Ethereum down. What else y'all want to look at? I am going to look at the S&P 500. Okay, the S&P 500 is down. Well, right now it's flat, up a little. One point. Hasn't been doing much. We traded earlier today, and we made 37 points because it was moving quite a bit. It had taken off to the upside. You can see here, let me show you what I'm looking at here. So this is the smaller time frame, the 3-minute. So this is what we day trade every day, the ES. We took a pop. I want to say it was right in that area. We got 37 points. 37 points. Super flat today. Not really doing too much. But hey, we made a lot. We made a lot. So I'll take that. But anyway, we day trade on the 3-minute chart for those of you who want to day trade. Again, you can make a lot of money. Our goal is to make a full-time income, right? We've been making around between $500 and $1,000 a day. That's kind of where we're shooting at. All right, so S&P 500 is down today, but we did break, and it's just kind of working its way up. Russell 2000. Russell 2000 down today. It broke out. Just kind of pausing right there. We go into that smaller time frame. Right here. Right there. You can see we're just channeling right under that key level. Now, I don't like that we cross these moving averages. Okay, I don't like that. But we'll see what happens. It's down today. So, again, it's not a really... absolutely nothing. What's going on, Justin? What up? Give a shout out to my boy, Justin. Justin joined. When did you join us, man, on the channel members, brother? Give you a shout out, McFeely. Thanks for being here. All right. You were with us today. You came in a little bit late, but I know you were with us when we were day trading the ES. We killed it. We'll be back tomorrow doing the same thing, brother. Same thing. Hey, if you got any cryptos you want to look at, hey, throw them in, man. Or stocks. I don't care. You let me know, my man. We'll take a look at it. I mean, there's nothing really popping. But if you want to take a look at something, just go for it, brother. Pop it in. All right, Russell 2000 again down. That sucks. How's the Dow Jones doing today? You know, the Dow Jones. Where are we at? Right there. Where the fuck is that? US 30. My eyes, man. Hang on. Where the fuck is it at? There it is. It's up 184. So, you know, the Dow Jones is doing good. 2 days ago, you found out about me a week or so. Well, you know what? I really appreciate it, man. Really appreciate it, brother. Wait till you join the live classes. You're going to freak out. But glad you joined, man. I really am, truly. So this is our Dow Jones, right? 30, the mega caps, right? Like your big boys, you know, McDonald's, ExxonMobil, Bank of America, you know, they got international presence. So the Dow Jones is popping today. So I will tell you this, from a correlation, right? You got the NASDAQ, which the NASDAQ's up a little bit as well. NASDAQ 100, that's the technology sector, right? 100 top technology companies, Dow Jones 30s, the mega, right, multinationals. But it's up today. Looking good. I mean, it's popping. It's actually up the most as far as the index is. But it's looking good. Again, look at that NASDAQ. It's up. Selling off right here at the end. Right? But you do have these beautiful stacked moving averages, right? Just remember, guys, y'all can make a full-time income just knowing this. Trend. Look for these beautiful stacked moving averages. Check. Pattern. What I mean by pattern is consolidation underneath the high. Right? And then squeeze. We're going to have multiple dots. I teach this squeeze indicator. I love it. I teach it a lot. I got a lot of videos on the YouTube channel, mainly with stocks, but it works the same. And it doesn't matter what time frame. It's the same. Now, Justin, I know you just joined a channel member, but I day trade differently. So when it comes to day trading the S&P 500, I'm price action, okay? Yes, I have the squeeze indicator, but I don't use it. You know, I trade specifically price. I look at the ticks. I look at the VIX. You've probably seen a couple of my option videos. There's a very specific pattern that I look for. I actually developed an indicator called the Forecast Pro, and that's the indicator that I use for options. Okay, and I look for a very specific pattern. Now, crypto. Okay, crypto. Right here, baby. That TPS, right? Trend pattern squeeze. So we're trending nicely. We just need to consolidate. I do like this red dot. It's the NASDAQ 100, but again, it's up today. Okay, and again, this one is just cooking. You can see it went from black to green. So that means the squeeze fired. You have to understand, if you're going to be a trader, and let's talk about crypto for a minute, but it works everywhere. If you're going to be a trader, you got to have an advantage. When I day trade with specific advantage. When I option swing trade, I trade my advantage. If you're going to trade, you know, the crypto market, again, there's other ways, but you got to have an advantage. And your advantage is when you're inside the squeeze. You position size in the buy zone ahead of the next big move, right? Like right here. Buy zone, pop. Buy zone, pop. It's as simple as that. So what do you say there, Justin? Just says, my goal is to make a full-time income. It's hard because I got to leave the work. I got to leave work like right as you are. Oh, because you're in the East. I mean, you're in the West Coast. So here's the thing. If you're going to day trade, yes. Yes, you know, I day trade in the morning. You got to be there. But if you're going to swing trade options, you don't need to be there during the day. I've been doing that for 17 years. In my first 10 years, I had a full-time job. Now, I've been in finance. You know, I've been in finance 27 years. Money manager, managed over $100 million. Series 6, 65, 7, 63, 24, all the securities license. But I had a full-time job. They wouldn't let me trade. Right? They wouldn't let me trade during the day. I was managing other people's money based on their guidelines, right? So I had to do that. So I traded options after hours. So all you need to trade options successfully is 1 hour a day, and you can do it at night. You can do it at night. That's what my whole book is built upon. Look at this right here. See this book? Right? Took me 2.5 years to write this book. But it's all about teaching people how to trade part-time. But I get it, man. If you're going to day trade in the morning, yeah, like when I stream, you want to be there. But it does apply to the afternoon also. So the stuff that we talk about in the morning, I talk about specifically in the afternoon. But we'll talk more. You just join. You'll be there more and more. So the Dow Jones 30 up 183. Let's go take a look at gold, right? Look at gold. Gold is pounding to the upside. Beautiful trend. Nice. As long as it's trending upward, you just keep going with the flow. It's the same with Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything. Apple, all that good stuff. Okay, there's different strategies. But the easiest one for brand new traders is just remember these beautiful stacked moving averages. Blue above the red, above the pink. That's the trend. Look for it to consolidate underneath the high. Go into a squeeze. Position size gone. Every time, my friends. Look. Squeeze. That's your advantage. Squeeze. That's your advantage. Pop. There's a lot of money you can make just trading this strategy. All right, so gold's up. I got another screen over there because I'm looking at my option trades. Y'all guys know I trade options at the end of the day as well. If y'all got stuff to look at, pop them in, man. There ain't shit really doing much today, so I'm just kind of going through my list, hanging out. But if you got something, let me know. So gold's up. Dow Jones 30 is up. NASDAQ up, right? 52. You know, what's interesting is on the other platform, it says that it's only up 20-something. That's weird. So I'm going to go with TradingView since we're here. So NASDAQ's up 54. Just kind of working its way, starting to go into a squeeze. All right. We ready to look at XRP? XRP. Let's go back into that smaller time frame. Okay. XRP trending down. Okay, trending down. There's three ways that we can attack these. Number one, if you don't sell and you just buy, you're going to wait. You're going to wait. I have a lot of students, they don't sell crypto. They don't leverage, they just buy. Now is not the time to buy. You've got stacked moving averages to the downside. It's in the middle of key levels. You want to buy at the base. And right now, your squeeze is firing to the downside, so there's a lot of selling pressure. XRP, the higher probability, is down. I hate to say it. Been holding this coin for 7 years, man. 7 years. Son of a bitch. Down 54. It's at 54 cents. What about XLM, right? XLM hadn't done nothing. So look at this. We're starting to base. Okay. So we haven't quite fallen down to this key level. It's starting to base. You are in a squeeze, but there's no really nice trend going. So what I'd like to see is three things. I want to see when it's breaking up through a key level, like here. Then you want to see, that beautiful trend pattern squeeze. This ain't it. Or if it comes back into this key level, I want to see at the key level, I want to see these moving averages cross. I don't want to see them cross. I'm not going to trade that cross in no man's land. If it's going to cross, that's fine. Okay, what I want to see is it cross, us start to move, get these stacked like this, go into that squeeze, and then take a pop. Okay, but XLM hasn't done nothing. Hasn't done nothing. Okay, let's keep rolling. S&P's, fuck, did S&P just go negative? Basically. All right, what's the worst today? H-bar. One thing is on H-bar, look at this. You see these candles like that? The volume sucks. So if you're going to do H-bar, just do H-bar on a longer term. So we'll just talk about it. It's down today 6%. You got Decentraland, same thing, really gappy, down. Shiba. Shiba's clean. Again, Shiba's going into an orange squeeze, so this is going to get ugly for Shiba here pretty soon. Right? Stacked moving averages, We're starting to consolidate. We're going in a squeeze. Is orange. Look for this to fire short. If you don't trade short, just wait. Down 4%. Everything's pretty much fucking down today. Right? Algorand, Solana. Same thing. Look at this. Stacked moving averages to the downside. So this is trending to the downside. I don't want no part of that shit. We got a long ways to go. This could drop all the way down into 135. It's in no man's land. It's in no man's land. Squeeze fired short. Stay out of Solana's way because it's going down. That sucks. Can't believe the market went red. What a crappy market today, dude. Stacked moving averages. Again, it's the 30-minute time frame. This is for traders, right? But you don't have to, right? You can go look at the daily. It doesn't matter. I've already marked off all these key levels, right? So I know where the key levels are. But again, this is waterfall into the downside, right? Squeeze. It works both ways. You're looking for that beautiful trend going up. Bam. It can also go down. Ondo's down 3%. S&P 500, U.S. stock market closes in 9 minutes. Justin, if you got anything to look at, let me know, brother. It's all good. I'll answer questions too, man. If you got any questions, fire away. We're just hanging out. Dogecoin. What good bugging Dogecoin. Dogecoin is right in the middle of some key levels, right? Dogecoin. Now, we are kind of getting that double bottom. But I'm not going to try to take a reversal in midair. I'm looking for reversals at these key levels, or I'm just looking for that trend pattern squeeze. Now, we do have an orange squeeze, so this is about to explode. It's about to explode. And right now, since momentum's going up, we're looking like we could explode to the upside, but then I'll just wait for a pause, right? Our advantage. If you want to anticipate a pop to the upside, you can. Trend pattern. Is this trending? No. So we don't want it. It is in a squeeze, though. Polkadot. And Coinbase, too. And that beautiful squeeze trending to the downside. Again, working its way down to that $3.97. I'm going to stay out of Polkadot's way. Coinbase. What's up, Andy? Andy! What up? Shit. Doing nothing, my man. John, Jeff. What's up, what's up, what's up? All right, here we go. Coinbase. What they look Coinbase on a daily. We did break out right underneath the key level. If we get above 212.28, again, why do I say this? Because I trade stocks. You can make a lot of money, right? Trading the stock market. Shit, that's how people get rich, man. Trading the stock market. Now, there's a lot of cool ways to do that. I've been doing that for 17 years. Been in the industry for 27. Don't mess around. If you know what you're doing, man, you can make a lot of money trading stocks. And then even with options, right? That's why we do options as a way to leverage stocks. The stocks are expensive. I mean, look at Coinbase, $204 a share. If you have $500, you can only buy 2 shares. What the fuck is that going to do, right? It takes a lot of money. But what you could do, check this out, right? Since we're just chilling, let me bring this over for you here. You can go over here to Coinbase, bring up this bad boy, and you can trade options, right? These are calls and these are puts. So if you think Coinbase is going to go up, you can buy a call. If you think Coinbase is going to go down, you can buy a put, right? And you can leverage the stock for a smaller amount of money. Huge, right? Make lots of money if you know what you're doing. Now, again, it looks kind of scary if you don't know what you're doing. That's why we teach it. I got a course all on options, and it's good. It's really good. But you can see, man. So there's different things that you can do, right? I can sell a naked put right here. So I can sell this 170 strike. Look how much money they're going to give me. they're going to give me $650 right now. If I sell that, they're going to give me $650. Now it's more than just that, but shit, that's you can make a lot of money. All right, let me move this back over here. So any tips for smaller accounts? I've been trying to make at least one trade a day. So number one, if you're going to day trade, if you're going to do it on margin, you need $25,000, but you can do a cash account. This is what a lot of people do, Just, and I even have a lot of students. Call your broker, open up a cash account, which means if you have, let's say, $2,000 in the cash account, you can trade, right? You just can't exceed the $2,000. So that's one way. And now there's settlement times, but so cash account. Second, options. Options, and maybe learn how to do spreads. I got a lot of videos on that. So if you have a small amount of money, options are a very good way to grow your portfolio. So if you want to get in the stock market, but you don't have enough money to buy stock, learn option trading. Learn option trading. Because for a small amount of money, you can leverage it and grow it. That's one. And then also the cash account. And then you can do the SPY like we did today in class. You can just buy one contract, have a cash account, and start to grow that small account. So that would be my my tips, right, for small account. Option trading. Now, even crypto, right? Now, I just buy and sell. I mean, yeah, crypto's always good. I mean, I'm more of a shorter term investor, but that's how you do it. Option trading or cash account day trading. That's a great question, by the way. Coinbase is down. How's this market going to finish? Sucks. So Nvidia is up, gold's up, Dow Jones is up, which again, this is the one that's surprising me the most. It's up today nicely. The dollar, there we go. Look at the dollar. The dollar reversed off this bottom right here, right? Came down, popped through here, broke through that V notch, and now it's gone. Now we're stacked, right? So the dollar just rocking to the upside. Up today. So gold, the dollar. Again, S&P is going to finish super flat. Russell 2000 is going to finish down. Bitcoin, at least right now. I understand Bitcoin's 24 hours, but it's looking like at least right now, based on the U.S. stock market, number one, shit's going down, right? But it's going to finish down. But here's the deal. Look where you're at. So if you are a trader of Bitcoin, this is where you want to be. It's got to hold 66,600. And what you're looking for is it to come down and that to cross. That's your money shot, right? That's your money shot. And then you can catch it as it consolidates on the way up. Right? Look for that squeeze. And you're right, though. The small account is not going to make a lot. But if you use options, you can grow it. You can grow it. There's no doubt. Most people start off small, right? A lot of the students that I have, they start off small. I had one student that grew $5,000 to $35,000 in 2 months. $5K to $35K in 2 months. It's possible. S&P is going to finish up flat. So nothing really jumping out. I mean, again, Litecoin. Look at Litecoin. Holy shit. Look at Litecoin. So Litecoin broke through our key level. Broke up, pulled back. It tested it, but now we're back above it and we're gone. Litecoin's starting to move up. It's 72 bucks. So how can we get in Litecoin? Well, it's trending, right? Stacked moving averages. Wait for the consolidation. Wait for the squeeze. It's not, wait for that red squeeze. Get in the buy zone and you can attack it. In a Litecoin's case, you can do that all the way up to 76. So you got a lot of room. And if it goes from here up to 76, hang on. Let's do this. If it goes from here up to 76, that's 5%. That's not much. Better than nothing. It is popping, though. It is popping. So it looks like the ES is going to finish flat. Looks like Litecoin was up. Dow Jones going to finish 175. S&P 500 flat. Russell 2000 pretty flat. Should be good. I don't know if y'all are going to watch John Deaton tonight against Elizabeth Warren. Make sure you watch that debate. And Justin, we'll see you back here tomorrow, man. If you're able to come in the morning, we'll be day trading. We'll be day trading the S&P 500 for members and students. So there you go. And then I'm going to option trade after that. And I'll be back on. Maybe tomorrow we'll have some action, but it is what it is. You guys take care. Make a lot of money. And that be the way it is. Peace out.